Hello and welcome to episode 2 of the Sariska series. And here I am, your girl Neha. I welcome you all to a brand new day in the forest land of Sariska. So let's come along now. This journey is certainly not for the light-hearted, as we are now in the land of the unknown. Welcome to Bhangar. Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of Sariska National Park. And today we are going to
Bhangar Fort!
Yes, we are going to the Bhangar Fort today. It's so exciting. So we'll keep you updated and let's go. As a child, stories of banished kings and princesses and cursed kingdoms are something that fascinated everyone. It surely riveted me in many ways, and the idea of one day be able to visit such a place was indefinite. But as a grown person now, this is beyond the legends and the fairy tales. I wanted to visit the place to get the experience, what the place has to offer, not going by the stories being told about that place. Therefore, here I am, will take you with me, sharing my experiences and hoping something stays with you too. So, here it goes. The fort is situated around the national park, so you will find a lot of entry gates to the tiger reserve on this route. As I was staying in the Alwar city, it only took us about an hour and a half to reach the palace. The road was in good condition and we also found a lot of small villages along the way. However, the food joints or the restaurants are scarce. The terrain has some serene views of the Aravali hills, as you can see, and will give you amazing landscapes. I visited in the monsoon season, so the mountains were lush with vegetation and looked absolutely breathtaking. Though the best time to visit this place would be either in monsoon or in winters, as the summers are scorching. And when you're literally driving through the jungle, you're out to meet the wild. And look who came to meet us. Yes, this is a monitor lizard, just strolling casually on the streets. And finally, we entered the vicinity, which we were all eagerly waiting for. There is a nominal entry fee at the entry gate, which is maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India, and you have a paid parking just outside the ticket counter. The actual fort is at 100 meters from the main entry, and you are expected to leave your car vehicle outside the fort at the ticket counter area and meet the distance on foot. There was no restriction as such on the camera equipment, but I only carried a GoPro with a stick, so always read the instructions or on the website. Okay, so giving the credit where the credit is due, the views from this fort were magnificent. See for yourself.
ये जयपुर बना हुआ था 1600 सदी तक ये बना रहा था। उसी के बाद में 1600 से 1700 का वो जयपुर था, अभी प्रेजेंट में बना हुआ है। वो सेम नक्शा है जी जयपुर में टोटल चीज बनी है।
So a tad bit of history around the fort. So the fort was built in the 16th century and was once a thing of beauty and power. It is believed that over 10,000 people used to reside in the vicinity before it was allegedly deserted overnight. Well, that's spooky. Now, stories aside, I wanted to visit the fort for its history, to appreciate the architectural finesse like you do with all the forts, rather than concentrating on the legends that were being told about it. And honestly, I wanted you guys to also see the fort in a different light that you might have never seen before. Now you must be thinking that, is the fort really haunted? Or did we experience any paranormal activity? Well, I think we all know what the legends and the stories attached to this 400-year-old establishment, so I'm not gonna go there. But that being said, who can say what really happened? Well, that is a story for the next vlog. So keep on watching. The Bhangarh aftermath will blow your mind, that's for sure. Until then, this is your girl Neha, a girl in the midst, signing off. Do like this video, comment to tell me what you like the most. For now, hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family, and help your girl grow this channel. In the meantime, I will see you soon. I take a bow and peace out. We're back to the resort. So I couldn't vlog there because the situation was not that great. Unfortunately, something happened due to which we had to really straight come back to the resort.